Tonight you can call my phone. Tonight you can call me all night long. Tonight the represent.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a baking video for you guys, inshallah. So I'm gonna show you how to make some Swiss rolls, Swiss sugar, potato flour, cacao, 3 large eggs, and finally baking powder. And this is actually the main ingredients, and then I'm going to show you the other one. So guys, now I'm gonna do the frosting, and I have a yolk, I have icing sugar, cocoa powder, 100 milligram butter, and then and if you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below so I know if you like this kind of video.